Page unresponsive Google Chrome fix. Now, sometimes what happens is that whenever you're navigating through so many sites, or maybe there is just some kind of issue with it, it will give you the page unresponsive kind of thing. Now, most of the times you can try to force close by crossing the cross icon from the top right hand side. But what you can do is if this is not working, then you can just try to force close it from Task Manager. So from an empty space from your dock or your app icon list, right click on it and go to Task Manager. Then once you go to Task Manager, you will see all the current processor tasks. Then right here, you want to select Google Chrome, right click on it, then click on End Tasks to force close Google Chrome and reopen Google Chrome and just try to do what you were trying to do earlier. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.